Hello and welcome to another GCSE Computer Science video on programming techniques with me, Mr Goff, from mrgoff.com. Today's video will focus on determining the purpose of algorithms using trace tables. For the Paper 1 exam, you need to be able to identify parts of an algorithm. This includes where the inputs are received, what processing takes place, and where outputs are made. You might also be asked to identify where you can see programming constructs such as sequence, selection, definite iteration, and indefinite iteration. You will also be asked to determine the purpose of algorithms. Your key tool in doing so will be trace tables. A trace table is a table that tracks the value of variables during the execution of an algorithm. It might also track things such as what is output while the algorithm is running, and the result of any Boolean checks during the running of the algorithm. Traditional trace tables include a column for line number, like in the example below. Changes to variables are shown on the line where they occur. It is easy to follow, but takes up a lot of space. When it comes to your exam, there will be no column for line number. What will be important is that the values you have in the column are in the order that they would have occurred in as the algorithm was executed. It will not matter which row any value was actually on. Before you try to write down the purpose of an algorithm, it helps to step back and look at the results from your trace table. You're looking to give a succinct description of what the program does, such as in this example, the code loops through the numbers from 1 to 10, outputting multiples of 3. Sometimes students can tend to try and give a blow-by-blow account of what happens as the program is executed. That is not what is being required at this point. That brings us to the end of our video on determining the purpose of algorithms. I've been Mr Goff from mrgoff.com. I hope you'll join me again soon for a video on errors and testing. Bye for now.